how to add Gmail to Slack. So here from the left hand side, we will scroll down until we see the option for apps, and we want to click on add apps here, and we'll simply search for Gmail. And you will see some different options, but we want to scroll down and we will see this Slack for Gmail. So we want to click on add, and it's going to look like this, and we have to simply click on add to Slack. It's free, so we will do install, and it's going to ask us which account we want to log in with. So I'm going to do this one here, continue, and give it permissions or permission. Then it will tell us that Slack for Gmail has been installed. Where to find Slack for Gmail, so we can reload Gmail and open a message to find applicable add-ons here. And if we go back here, it should say that it has been added to the list as well. So that's how you do it. That's how you add Gmail to Slack. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.